Minus 72 times minus 57 divided by minus 3. So, when we look at this initially, the first thing we can do is work out whether our answer is positive or negative. So, there's a negative there, another negative, and negative. So I've got 3 negative numbers. And because we've got 3 negative numbers, which is an odd number of negatives, our final answer is a negative. We then need to work this out. And once we've worked out it's a negative, we ignore our negative. So we've got 72 times 57 divided by 3. Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to work out that bit of it. So 72 times 57. And then what the answer to that is, we then divide that by 3. So, get our multiplication grid out. 72, 57, put a times in. Now there's lots of 7s here, so let's make this easier and write down our 7 times table. So 7, 14, each time we're just adding 7, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. So the more times you write it, the quicker you'll get. It doesn't matter what age or whatever, the quicker you get, the more times you write it. And let's have a go. So 7 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 7 times 5 is 35, and then we've got 2 zeros to add on. 5 times 2 is 10, and then we've got an extra 0 to put on. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus the extra 0. 7 times 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 49 with an extra 0. The extra 0 comes in there, and then 7 times 2, so 1, 2 is 14. We then need to add this up, so we can go underneath for now. 3,500, 100, 490, and then 14. Move up the page a little bit. Might as well move up to there. There we go. So, all the zeros plus the 4 is 4. We've got those 2 zeros plus 9, plus our 1 is a 10. So you can write 10 like that. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus our 4 is 10, plus our extra 1 is 11, and you've got 3 plus 1 is 4. So our first bit, our 72 times 57, is 4,104. We then need to divide, so you've got 4,104 divided by 3. So let's move it up, and then we can use our bus stop method. 4,104 divided by 3. Now, because we're dividing by 3, we're going to quickly write out our 3 times table, and then we might as well do it around this side. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. How many 3's fit into 4? Well, that's 1 with 1 left over. So I've used up 3 out of the 4, and then we've got 11. How many 3's fit into 11? 1, 2, 3, which is 3 with 2 left over. How many 3's fit into 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many got left? Well, we used up 18 out of the 20, we've got 2 left. How many 3's fit into 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer to minus 72 times minus 57 divided by minus 3 is minus 1,368. So let's have a quick look through this. So we first of all worked out whether it's negative. So we can do that by just going 1, 2, 3 negatives, and therefore our answer is negative because it's an odd number of negatives. We then did 72 times 57 with our multiplication grid, and then added up, which is down here. And again, we just wrote down our 7 times table to help us with some of our multiplications. Now we worked out that answer, we then have that bit of it, but then we need to divide by 3. So you got 4,104 divided by 3, which we did the bus stop method, which you then get how many 3's fit into 4, which is 1, remainder 1. How many 3's fit into 11? Well, that's 3, remainder 2. How many 3's fit into 20, which is 6, remainder 2. And the last one is how many 3's fit into 24, which is 8. So then that's our answer. So our answer finally is minus 1,368.